Hello everybody, in today's video I want to talk about Bitcoin price, crypto market in general, how you could benefit from this crash, take an advantage and make some good amount of money during the next bull market. And before I start, I really want to say thank you guys for watching me. More and more people joining my channel, so thank you guys a lot for all your support. I really appreciate it. And it's very fearful and depressing moment in the market. For now, people feel angry, stressed, but it is what we have. It's happened because of this FTX and the Binance situation. For me personally, it is not black swan event, it is coordinated attack or coordinated situation with the market to be crashed and to transfer those assets from the retail people like us to bigger players like huge companies. It could be governments, it could be some crypto exchanges, crypto holders, very huge organizations, and it's kind of monopoly to happen in crypto world. And it's because we're like selling it and we are scared. They at the same time are buying. I mean, just an example, currently we have some news about Google Cloud is more being part of crypto space. It is partnerships with Near protocol, it is a partnership with Solana. They are now investing in this Web3 project built on Solana. They are the validator of Solana, and so many good things happening with the news, and technology behind this. But at the same time, we see this price are crashing, and we know why, because it was part of it kind of used for safe FTT, but like from my point of view, it's all coordinated. It all for us means feels fearful, but we shouldn't be like selling or something. We need to be strong and take an advantage of it. Why I feel very even happy with current situation and feels that we are close to the bottom. Look into the charts of stock market cycle chart. It's good for different assets classes. It's just because of the psychology and feelings behind all the investors. It's pretty similar for all the cycles, and you could see the similarities for prior cycle of Bitcoin. And me personally, I'm thinking we're now here with our lower lows, and it's still some time for accumulation and for this time before the crazy bull market. But it's good, the lower we go, it means that we are already in the end of this situation. And many people are asking, are we going lower? Will we see like 10k, or even it goes to zero? But at the same time, people actually not that scared, I should say, because it is 22 fear and greed index. It is extreme fear, but at the same time we already saw 12, 9, even 7 during this whole year of this bear market. So it's not that fearful for majority of the people. And again, what makes me feel good and very positive, because it is the low lows and people are not interested in crypto. But today a friend of mine who was never interested in crypto and this kind of assets reached out to me asking, saying that I saw that Bitcoin hit the lower lows, maybe I should buy it. And normally it happens when Bitcoin reaches all-time highs, and when Bitcoin is 60k, everyone is interested. But if with current price people are buying it who are not even part of crypto space, it makes me feel that it could be a strong support level for Bitcoin. And you could ask if it goes lower, what we could do if it goes to 10k. My answer is it is actually doesn't matter how low we go if you have the nice strategy to follow. And this strategy called DCA, dollar cost average. Maybe it sounds simple, people like saying it every time, but it is something that working and we should follow it. No one chasing the bottoms and peaks, because it is almost impossible buy on the lowest price and sell on the top. it could happen with you 1-2 times, but it's just the luck. If you try to do it like 4th, 5th time, it will give you some upset results, because it is not something stable and good for long-term strategy. And this DCA strategy is very good for long term. And let me even show you some results for this during this bear market with this DCA strategy. So here is a DCA calculator for Bitcoin. And I was taking the period from the peak, which is November 2029 till now, and using this calculator we could see what is our average price of Bitcoin if we are investing $100 monthly. So it's important how the interval of our investment. So let's say we are investing monthly, and with this DCA, which is dollar cost average, our average price is $29, which is not that bad. You could agree with it. So for example, if we are buying on back of November, it is going to be 65k, which is completely different, and it gives us twice less price for this. Once we had some November days later on, we will see significant decrease in this average price, because we have this drop only like this week happened. So it is very great strategy. And even with my friend, I cannot give some recommendations how you could perform, but if it's me, and how we could make sure we are benefit from the price, and we are not worried that it's going to 10k and you're missing this price. Should you buy now? Should you wait? If you wait, you could be losing this opportunity to buy now, and then you will jump when it's going to be 23k, 27k, because you are waiting for the lower lows, and someday it will never happen. So my honest thought in here is that you don't need to wait for the lows. Even it could go lower. The only thing we could do here is to DCA. Let's say you want to spend this $900 and divide it into 3 parts for your investments and to DCA. So and you could think that Bitcoin will go to 10k, and it's potentially the price of Bitcoin in your opinion. So in this case, I would say you need to divide your initial investments at least in 3 parts, and buying at 16k price, at 13k price, and then 10k as well. So the first price for you is 16k. So the first piece is going to be buying at this price, and this is the amount on Bitcoin you could get. It is 0.018 piece of Bitcoin. So the next one is going to be 13k, and the price is much lower, and this is the amount of Bitcoin you are getting. It is even higher, and with the lowest price of Bitcoin, you are going to have 0.03 of BTC. And if we combine all those assets you're getting for this amount, we could get the average price. So this is the amount of Bitcoin you get at 10k. This is the amount of Bitcoin you were able to get at 13k, and also the amount of Bitcoin you were getting at 16k. And here is what you could get as amount of Bitcoin for your investment, and it is $900 spent for this. So let's see what is your average price. It was 0717 if I'm not mistaken. So the average price of your purchase is $12,500, which is significantly low that the average one. And if you're scared buying it now and you're thinking it's going lower, you don't need to just waiting and doing nothing now. You just need to spend some amount of your money in now, making sure you are already in the market, and in case the price going up, you already have something invested. And in my opinion, it's definitely the best strategy, and all the big players are following it. You will never pick rich the bottom and buying on the lows and selling in their tops, as I said, and I think it's the best strategy to follow. I hope it will somehow help you, and it is something I'm doing. That's why I want to share it with you, guys. So yeah, a lot of things happening. I understand that it's quite fearful for now, but we should definitely be strong, be all together, and we could survive through this bear market. And yeah, we will see this crazy growth later on. And I would say in the end that if you are still in the crypto market, if you are still watching these videos, and it means that you will be very successful in the future, and there is no doubt it will happen. So yeah, it is actually all I want to share with you guys today. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.